Hello, this is Jihoon Yu, uh, CEO of the Idea City. Okay, we provide the services called UGPS, Underground GPS. So we established our company in 2020. So it's been 4 years and 1 month. And our logo looked like Idea City and UGPS. Here's our team. So more than 70% of the team are the R&D. So I have a background in SDR and computer science. And I have a members of the electrical engineer and computer science. So if you think about autonomous driving, it is level 4 and 5 is not coming yet. So as a solution for that, we call it level 4, and we call it RSU, roadside unit, and tells you the more accurate information to the car. Sometimes we call the V2X, vehicle to infrastructure. So infrastructure tells you more detailed information. Therefore, the car can make a better and clearer decision. Therefore, we can have a more safe driving environment. But the issue is, once the car has very nice and good navigation environment, it can also have nice packet environment. Nice wireless network environment, meaning the packets are transferred and in timing. So therefore, the packet from RSU clear receivable, and the card to the RSU is clearly collectible. Those are all based on the timing information from the GPS. But if it goes inside of the inside of the tunnel, GPS is not available. Therefore, it needs to have the timing setup, timing reference environment. So we want to prevent the car goes to the tunnel mode. Once it goes to tunnel mode, the driver should hold the wheel at the same time he needs to get involved to the driving. So this is our UGPS system look like. We have MU, main unit, handles all computing thing, and we have RU, remote unit, which is installed inside of tunnel. So RU is a basically dumb device. Therefore, it can survive in a very harsh environment. And there is no computing unit, but it is translate the digital signal to the RF signal. So this is how the UGPS system works. And it comes with the server rack at the same time with the RU. Okay, so over the 4 years, we have a progress from generation 1 to the 4. Now we are commercialized, and we're gonna install actively and spread the all across the Korea. Okay, so this is what happened before the UGPS install. So cars get into the tunnel, it loses its GPS, but it keep holding its last speed, and position is just vector. It keep going to the next point. Once the speed of the car it changes inside of tunnel, it cannot reflect. So it just waited it at some point. But if you install the UGPS inside of tunnel, it updates the speed. At the same time, it can keep updating its position. Therefore, you can go to the right or left. We can have a more detailed navigation system. So we installed in a POC in Korea, which can support up to 120 kilometer per hour. So before and after, once we have it, we have a seamless GPS environment. We have a versatile, which means we don't need to, any customer need to install any hardware or new software, just it is. So these are our competitors, Safran, Spirent, and Syntony in Europe company in England, and North American company. They have very nice devices, I can tell you that. But the problem is it is very expensive. We try to make 1/10 the price. And this is the secret of the 1/10 the price. So we don't use the atomic watches. Therefore, we have working and precise information, and it is well synchronized. So we have secured about $7 million in UGPS sale. We are expecting the J curve from this point to the multiple millions dollar more. And we have all patent, we have all certification, US FCC, EU CE, and market size expected to the billions dollar. And okay, these are our customers. Okay,